I'm going to show you how to fold the Shuttle plane from 200 paper planes to fly. This pattern is also found in 100 more paper planes to fly. It is the red pattern in 100 bugs to paper fold and fly, and it is the purple pattern in 100 spaceships to fold and fly, the periwinkle pattern in 100 pterosaurs to fold and fly, and the purple pattern in 100 dragons to fold and fly. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is orient your paper so that the colored indicator is in the upper left corner, and then you're going to fold your paper along this midline from left to right or from right to left, doesn't matter. You're going to fold it, make a crease, and then open it back up again. The next thing you're going to do is fold the top down to the line here. So the top edge is going to come meet that line. And now you're going to fold this down again along that line there. You'll know you've done it right if you see this backside with the line in the middle, because now you're going to fold along this midline here to make that strip extra thick. All right, next thing, we are going to fold along this guideline and fold this corner into the center, and then do the same on this side, fold this corner into the center. You can also think of this as folding these top lines into the center. So here we go. We'll line that top line up with the center and crease along that line. And now I will do the same on the other side. There we go. Now we're going to fold the plane like a sandwich in half from right to left. This gets tricky because our paper is getting thick, so do the best with it you can, and then crease that line again. Now you'll see we've got a guideline right here at an angle. We're going to fold along that guideline and fold the wing out. Right like that. And then I'm going to flip my plane over and do the same on the other side, folding it along this guideline here. Now we can fold the wings back up, and our plane is ready to fly.